exponential equation with an integer solution. We want an easy, step-by-step approach with a fast visual cue. Find the integer m that satisfies 3 to the m minus 2 to the m equals 65. Step 1. Write the equation clearly and keep our goal in mind. Find an integer value of m. Step 2. Try small integers for m and watch the difference grow. Because exponentials grow fast, a tiny table is enough. We'll compute 3 to the m, 2 to the m, and the difference row by row. For m equals 1, for m equals 2, for m equals 3, for m equals 4, and finally for m equals 5, just to see we already passed 65. We hit the target at m equals 4 because 81 minus 16 equals 65. Let's write that explicitly. Therefore, the integer solution is m equals 4.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple, one video at a time, only on MyVerseNats.